In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling and customer relationship management processes, this integration is a fantastic way to enhance your workflow. By connecting these two powerful tools, you can ensure that your meetings and appointments are seamlessly synchronized with your CRM data, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, building relationships and growing your business. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Calendly account. If you haven't already done this, simply open your preferred web browser, head over to the Calendly website, and enter your login credentials. If you're new to Calendly, you might want to explore its features a bit to familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll see your account icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to customize your Calendly experience. For this integration, you'll want to focus on the Integrations section. Click on Integrations, and you'll be taken to a page with a list of apps that Calendly can connect with. This is where the magic happens, as integrating different apps can make your scheduling process more efficient and effective. Next, you'll need to search for HubSpot in this list. You can do this by either scrolling through the available options or typing HubSpot into the search bar. Once you've located HubSpot, you'll see an option to connect it with Calendly. Simply click on Connect, and this will initiate the integration process. You'll then be redirected to HubSpot. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your HubSpot login credentials to proceed. Once you've logged into HubSpot, you'll be prompted to select your account. This is an important step because you need to ensure that you're integrating with the correct HubSpot account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Double check the details and select the appropriate account from the list. After selecting your account, you'll need to authorize the permissions required for the integration. This is crucial as it allows Calendly to access and update your HubSpot data as needed. You'll see a prompt to connect app. Click on this to authorize the integration. It's always a good idea to review the permissions being requested to ensure you're comfortable with the data sharing that will occur between the two platforms. Once you've clicked Connect App, the integration process is complete. You've successfully linked Calendly with HubSpot, and your scheduling data will now automatically sync with your CRM. This integration can save you a significant amount of time and effort by eliminating the need to manually update CRM entries after every meeting. And there you have it. You've just learned how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot, enabling you to streamline your scheduling and CRM efforts. By automating these processes, you can focus more on engaging with your clients and less on administrative tasks. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other integrations that can further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.